This is important if you want to know what the price of helium will be at the end of 2023 and you trade in cryptocurrencies. In 2023, how much will helium be worth? Should I buy it or is it a good investment? Will HNT price reach another record high? This is what we think will happen to HNT in the future. The price of helium is expected to be, in spite of what most people think, the average price of HNT is likely to be higher than $2.43 in 2023. Helium value expectation May 2023. In May 2023, helium is expected to cost at least 1.92 cents, which is a huge amount. They thought that by 2023, the price of HNT could go as high as $2.05 and as low as $1.99. Helium value estimate June 2023. In June 2023, the most helium could cost $2.13, and the least it normally costs is $1.96. This is very important, the average price is $2.03. Helium value figure both July 2023 and July 2023. In July 2023, the most helium will cost around $2.21, the least will cost $2.02, and the average price will be $2.12. Most people don't think this is true. Helium value estimate for August 2023. The price of helium is projected to be about $2.11 in August 2023, which is a lot. So they thought helium prices can go as high as $2.32, with an average of $2.18. Price prediction for HNT in September 2023. In September 2023, helium is projected to be worth at least $2.15, which is a very big deal. The price of HNT could go as high as $2.42 and as low as $2.24. How much helium will cost in October 2023 and October 2023? Most of the time, the most helium could cost around $2.54, and the least it could cost in October 2023 is $2.22. In spite of what most people think, the average price of helium is $2.31. Helium price estimate for November 2023. The most helium could cost around $2.63 in November 2023, which is a lot. In November 2023, the lowest price for HNT is often $2.29, which is a lot. Helium value expectation. The price of helium is projected to go from $2.36 to $2.75 in December 2023, with an average price of $2.43. In the last 24 hours, helium's value was tested, and its price went down by 0.07%. When we look at the HNT's market cap today and compare it to what it was yesterday, we can see that it's also gone down, which is a big deal. The price of HNT went up 13.04% last week, which is a lot. Helium's price has been going up recently, so now is a great time to buy. The price of HNT has gone down by 35.034%, which is equal to 96 cents, in the last month. The coin is really in plunge right now because of this sudden drop.
In November 2021, when it was close to $69,000, but traditional financial problems have brought optimism back to the crypto market. Balaji Srinivasan, who used to be the chief technology officer of Coinbase, bet $2 million that one BTC will hit $1 million in the next 90 days. This shows how optimistic he is about Bitcoin's price in the near future. The bet was made after Twitter user James Medlock wrote that he would bet anyone $1 million that the US does not enter hyperinflation. Mr. Srinivasan took up the offer and said that if he lost, he would send Mr. Medlock 1 BTC and $1 million in the stablecoin USD coin, which is tied to the US dollar. If he wins, he gets to keep the Bitcoin and the stablecoin. You buy 1 BTC. I'll send $1 million, the former Coinbase employee wrote on Twitter. This is a 40:1 chance, since 1 BTC is worth about $26,000. It's for 90 days. Mr. Srinivasan said that he thought the skyrocketing prices would be caused by the US dollar going through hyperinflation. The central bank, the banks, and the people in charge of the banks have put us all in debt, he wrote. They didn't tell you, the investors, that they were broke. And they're about to print $2 trillion to make the dollar worthless. This will happen very quickly in the digital age. So buy Bitcoin now and get your coins off of platforms. People with a lot of influence have bet before that Bitcoin would reach $1 million. For example, the late computer security pioneer John McAfee said in 2017 that he thought it would reach $1 million by 2020. Bitcoin, BTC, prices kept going down on Monday, as markets continued to consolidate before a big week for the economy. BTC/USD hit a high of $29,952.03 on Sunday. Earlier today, it fell to a low of $28,360.50. Because of this, Bitcoin quickly went below a key support level at $28,500 and hit its lowest point since April 27. Overall, the price of Bitcoin is still almost 4% higher than it was at the same time last week, when it was close to $27,000. Because of today's sell-off, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, has fallen to 50.00, which is its own bottom. The index is now at 50.09, and BTC is selling at $28,591.66. It has come back from its earlier low. Not only was BTC in the red, but Ethereum, ETH, prices also fell for the second day in a row. ETH/USD hit its lowest point of the day at $1,829.41, less than 24 hours after dealing at its highest point of $1,938.42. Like BTC, Ethereum went below its own point of support at the $1,830 level after today's drop. Since then, ETH has climbed back up from this floor because bulls decided to buy on the dip instead of continuing to sell. This was helped by the fact that the RSI here also hit a support zone at 45.00, and it continues to track past this point. In the coming days, bulls will likely try to get back above $1,900. Bitcoin started the week in the red as markets got ready for a big week of economic events in the United States. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve is likely to raise interest rates by 25 basis points. On Friday, the non-farm payrolls report for April will be released. Today, Ethereum was also worth less than it was yesterday. So, what should you do if you already have Bitcoin in your portfolio? Should you run a mile or have high hopes that Bitcoin will soon bounce back to its best levels? In this detailed article, we explain what people who want to invest in Bitcoin, which is still selling at 50% less than its highest point, need to do. What's going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin, BTC, the king of cryptocurrencies,